Hi there, I have designed a new mechanical ventilator for emergency and tragic situations for people who are infected with coronavirus and need urgent breathing and oxygen to survive. Firstly, we have to know important considerations for the mechanical device to work like an electronic device. 1. Control of respiratory rate per minute for young children and patients. 2. Control of the inhale and exhale pressure. 3. Providing two entrances to the device with oxygen and air according to the patient's need. 4. Keeping a percentage of exhaled air inside the lungs when leaving them. In terms of a sense of humanity and the great danger from the coronavirus and the frequent occurrence of deaths in Arab and foreign countries, I have invented this mechanical ventilator that works like an electronic ventilator. It depends on the movement, so that it gives normal and abnormal respiratory rates for adults, young people, children, and patients, and especially people who have coronavirus, as well as the rate of inhalation and exhalation is controlled and consists of a mixture of oxygen and air, as you see. Its volume is controlled by external indicators in addition to the presence of valves for the airway. This device consists of a multi-speed motor and arm compressor on the conservator and two valves inside connected to the air conservator, one to enter the air into the lungs, which is called inhale, and another for the return of air from the lungs to the outside, exhalation. This device is connected through plastic pipes and connected to the filter to purify the air from moisture. In addition to this, device is equipped with a gauge to measure the pressure. Due to the lack of panels and electronic elements in Gaza Strip and their high costs, I look forward to the coming stage in inventing an electronic ventilator using microcontrollers and will be equipped with an air pump, sensors for the lungs, and automatic valves for inhalation and exhalation. And they are controlled electronically with a full view of the readings on the doctor's screen. This matter needs support so that I can accomplish this invention. I look forward to mass production in the future to help the Palestinian people and other nations. See you later.